Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bear slime. First, gather your ingredients. About 100 gummy bears, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You'll also need a microwave-safe bowl and a sturdy mixing spoon. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for some fun, sticky science. This simple recipe is perfect for a creative afternoon. Now let's melt those gummy bears. Place them in your microwave-safe bowl and heat for 30 seconds. Stir thoroughly, then continue microwaving in 15-second bursts, stirring after each until they are completely melted and smooth. This step is crucial for a consistent slime texture, so take your time to ensure there are no lumps remaining. Once your gummy bears are perfectly melted, it's time to add the magic. Carefully mix in 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of oil. Stir until a sticky, dough-like consistency begins to form. Then, transfer the mixture to a clean, flat surface and knead it for about 5 to 7 minutes. This develops the slime's elasticity and smooth texture. Congratulations! Your homemade gummy bear slime is complete and ready for hours of squishy fun. To keep your slime fresh and pliable, store it in an airtight container when not in use. If you find it gets a little too sticky over time, simply knead in a small pinch of extra cornstarch. Enjoy your sweet-smelling, stretchy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.